Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? Good afternoon. Now, it's definitely afternoon. I just went live on our Team Essences page and said good morning. It's afternoon. So good afternoon. Hope you're all well. Hope you're enjoying your Monday. So I wanted to hop on and have a quick chat to you all about what you would get if you joined Scentsy today. So it's very exciting. So for anybody who doesn't know, I'm Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. So whether you're watching this on our page, our group, on Instagram, or of course YouTube, please follow us, subscribe. We love to have you part of our world. All right. So if you were to join Scentsy today, we have got a flipping amazing kit. So I wanted to share that with you. Now I've got a list this long of everything in the kit. So I'm going to try and make sure I show you everything. Now I haven't got exactly everything that's in the kit, but I'm going to talk to you about what there is going to be coming in the kit. So you start off by getting an absolutely gorgeous warmer. So this is the etched core warmer. Now it's changed slightly from this one. So we got this one when we first started, and this is an element warmer, but since we started it's now changed to a light bulb version, but it looks the same. So it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is the etched core warmer. Okay, absolutely beautiful. It'll be about the same size, but it's a light bulb rather than an element. Okay, and it's kind of textured. Don't know how else to say it. It's a textured warmer. It's got little holes in it so the light comes out. So it looks absolutely super cute when it's on and against the wall, and you can see all the reflection coming out. So you get the etched core warmer. You get one of my favourite fragrances. Where have I put it? Sea salt and avocado. So you get a bar of sea salt and avocado. I should have changed this so it went the right way round so you could read it. But you've got a bar of sea salt and avocado. I absolutely love that. Absolutely love that. Now, what is really exciting, and this is brand new for this particular kit, and that'll only be this month, you get 10 bars of wax, and it's 10 bars of the new season. So our new season starts next month. It starts on the 1st of March, and you get the 10 new fragrances that are coming out. Now I haven't got those yet, but just so you can appreciate what 10 bars looks like, there's 5. And here is another 5. So altogether now, I might drop these. We'll see how good I am at balancing. Altogether, 10 bars of the new season's wax. How flipping incredible. That on its own is worth £72.50. I'm going to try not to actually cascade them all over the floor as I put them down. So there we go, 10 bars of the new season waxes. So flipping exciting, so flipping exciting. That is my computer pinging at me. We'll ignore that. You then get one of our mini fan diffusers, okay? So the mini fan looks like this. Now you're going to get the slate grey one, which is quite a dark grey, but it looks like that. It's run by USB, so you get the lead with it as well. You literally plug it in, air comes through that, the fan rotates, air comes through that, and with the mini fan you will get some Scentsy pods in Amazon Rain. Such a beautiful fresh fragrance. Okay, so you get that to test out and share with any customers, show them how that works. Okay, so you get the mini fan and some pods. All right, it's looking good so far, isn't there? So much more to come, so much more to come. You will then get one of our incredible counter cleans. These are absolutely awesome. So you clean your kitchen anywhere you like, clean it, and it leaves behind like a resistance barrier to make it cleaner, easy to clean each time. So it's absolutely amazing. You will get that in vanilla mint, which is gorgeous. So you'll get that in vanilla mint. I use coconut lemongrass. So that's that. You will get in Maker's Splash, you will get a hand soap and a hand cream. They will both be in Maker's Splash. Okay, so a hand soap and a hand cream. How incredible is that? You will get an Amazon Rain car bar. So again, these aren't the same fragrances. These are just what I had to hand so I could show you everything. You get one of our car bars, and that will be in Amazon Rain. Again, lovely and fresh. All right, so you get one of those. So that's all the products that you will get. You'll then get some amazing business tools to help you set your business up straight away. So you literally hit the ground running. You will get a variety of stickers. Now, we do these scented stickers. So if you're a customer of ours, you'll be used to getting these stuck on your orders. We often stick the new ones onto everybody's orders, or when we have a load of new ones, we might give you a sheet with lots of stickers you can scratch and sniff. Okay, so they're scratch and sniff stickers. You will get, I think you get about 4 packs of them. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4 packs of stickers. And each pack has got, I think, about 70 odd stickers in. How amazing is that? So you get all of those to share with friends and family. You will get some felt samples. Now, these are great. So these, you literally dip in the wax. So remember, you've got 10 bars of wax. You can share these with your friends and family. You dip these felt samples into the wax, let it dry, and then you can post it off to anybody who lives further away, or you can hand them out to friends, and they can be put in a warmer. So you then take the felt sample, pop it in a warmer. The wax will just melt. The felt just sits there. You can take it out should you want to, but you can still smell the fragrances. So they're super cute. Makes them really easy to post. So you'll get some of those to make your own samples. I love making samples. What else will you get? The sniff pots. So this is where it gets quite exciting. So you will get a whole set of the autumn winter sniff pots. So that's what we're currently using, the autumn winter sniff pots. So you'll get all of those. There's about 80 sniff pots in here. Okay, so you'll get all of those. You will also get what's called a transition set. So as we're about to start a new season on the 1st of March, you will get all the sniff pots that are going to be out on the 1st of March. So you'll get the wax, but there's also returning fragrances. Okay, so you'll get the returning fragrances as well. And they will be in a separate bag. So you'll get the whole of the sniff pots in the autumn winter, and then all the returning and brand new fragrances as well in a separate bag. So that's exciting. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff, so much stuff. Then you'll get some tools to help you start. You'll get some information. So you'll get a quick start guide, you'll get a consultant guide, you'll get a product training guide. So this gives you all the information on the different products, how to use them, how to share them with your friends and family. Very, very useful. You will get some catalogues. So you will get a pack of the current catalogue. So this is it's got my name on it so I don't forget who I am. This is this season's catalogue. So you'll get a pack of this season's catalogue. You will get a pack of next season's catalogue as well. Okay, so you'll get 2 packs of catalogues. So you can literally hand out the autumn winter ones straight away, and then a few weeks later you can go, and this is what's coming now, and hand out the new ones as well. Okay, so you'll get 2 packs of catalogues. Oh my goodness, what else will you get? Oh, we get these product lists often. If you're a customer of ours, again, you will have probably had these in orders. We often slip them in orders. So if you're sending something to someone and you don't want to send a catalogue out, these are super simple to pop in an envelope and send with your orders. So you get 50 in a pad. So you'll get a pad of those. Okay, those will be in the spring and summer. Okay, so that will be the coming season ones you'll get of those. You will get information on asking people to join. So if you've got anybody, if you want to join Scentsy and then you think, oh, I've got some friends who would love to do it as well, you get some lovely little leaflets that you can share with your friends. Okay, all about how amazing it is to run your own Scentsy business, which it absolutely is. So you'll get those. You will get some order forms, always useful. So you'll get some order forms. Then you will get some postcards. We've got thank you postcards. We've got invitations. You'll get some little bags to put orders in. And what is super cool, you get, if I can get hold of it, a rather fabulous insulated tote bag. Ooh, there you go. Looks like this. It's got pockets at the sides, like that. It's got pockets at the front. So you can put your catalogues in there, order forms. You can put things in the back. And then if I open it up, where's the zip? There we go. Inside you can see it's insulated. So this is great for putting wax bars and things in, particularly when it's warm. Pop them in there, pop ice pack in there. So if you're carting things around, when it's really warm, nothing will melt, or it'll keep it nice and safe in the winter. So that's really super cool. So you get that as well. So our join kit this month, if you join on the main kit, it's £85 plus postage, and you get all that. How flipping incredible. And that really sets you off on the right foot to start your own Scentsy business. And of course, you get myself and Sapphire and all of Team Essences to support you as well. We are there cheering you on and helping you achieve your dreams. So there we have it. I just wanted to share everything that was on that list. If you want to know any more about what it's like to be a consultant, because I flipping love it. If you want to find out more or have got any questions about this kit, then pop me a little message because I'm happy to help. Let's just finish off with another look at our little warmer. Look at that. Etched core. Absolutely flipping gorgeous. Right, I'm going to let you get on. I'm going to go make some more music. Got some more singing sessions this afternoon. So take care, my loves, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Mwah, loads of love.